Alright, we're pulling into the Tundra Lodge in Green Bay, Wisconsin. This is the tie-dyed traveling guy. We are in town for Falling in Reverse, Disturbed, and Plush at the Rush Center tonight. But we're gonna go in here to the lobby, we're gonna get checked in, and then we'll bring you to our room, to the water park, and we'll show you what this lodge is all about. Stay tuned. All right, we're walking in to the Tundra Lodge. As you can see, there's wildlife all over the... Ooh. Heather sees a kitty over here.
It's two?
Definitely very decorated with carcasses. Ooh, there's a zebra. Do you see the zebra up top? Well, not just, yeah. All right, y'all. We're gonna go find the front desk. We're gonna check in, and then we'll bring you to our room. We're gonna take a quick peek. Elyse, come over here. Check this out. All right, y'all. We'll bring you down there a little bit later because this girl wants to go in the water park. All right, y'all. We're gonna go check in and bring you to the room.
There's a moose.
All right, here we are, 2:33 at the Tundra Lodge. As we walk in, bathroom to the right. We come in here. Nope. Look at that, Elyse. Ooh. We got a sleeper sofa. View of our parking lot. I did not see the bunk beds. Cabin, sweet cabin. Is there a light? There's got to be a light somewhere. There's one. Is there another one, Elyse?
No, I see a TV. I didn't notice the bunk bed.
I know. Where's the light? There it is.
Wait, I didn't notice
Wow! Check that out. Bunk beds.
There's a TV. Oh, there's a TV. There's a TV.
That's pretty nice.
I need to go potty.
All right. Checking in to the Tundra Lodge. Gonna change, get our suits on, and head on down to the water park. Here we go. Alright, we finally made it down to the Tundra Waterpark. Oh, that says exit only. We'll go right in here. Give you a little tour of the water park and what we have going on in here. Looks like we got a hot tub right over there. Very nice, very nice. Alright. Little area for the kitties. Couple water slides. Looks nice, y'all. That's good. Alright. We're gonna come in here. A little arcade over there. We'll walk over there in just a little bit. We'll show you what's going on over there. But let's see what else is over here. The sun is shining right in through those windows. So hopefully you can still see concessions over there. Alright, y'all. Plenty of tubes. We'll also do a couple trips down the water slides there, show you what's up there. Alright, y'all, let's go check out that arcade. Alright, y'all. Let's go check out this arcade, see what's going on in here. All right. Got some tunes going on in here, that's for sure. Skee ball, that's always a party. Alright, we'll give you a little quick walkthrough. Duncan Alien. Alright, a little hockey game over here. Some couches, rest and relaxation. Of course, you gotta cash in. Get some tickets. Got basketball. Yeah, all kinds of stuff going on. Oh, it just keeps going. Got air hockey back here. Wow. It's a lot more than I expected to be in here. Check that out. Alright, y'all. Wheel of Fortune. Mario Kart. Alright, good spot for the kiddies. Tundra Lodge. Arcade. Check it out, y'all. Catch you later. So that was the Tundra Lodge, y'all, in Green Bay, Wisconsin. We all had a great time in the water park, in the arcade. The room was fantastic, and the breakfast buffet was wonderful as well. That is an extra fee, but definitely worth it to have that breakfast buffet right down in the lobby area. So hey, if you like what you saw, share the video, subscribe to the Tie-Dyed Traveling Guy. We appreciate you taking a look. Have a good day and safe travels.